I gotta show you how cool this is. I am making my own ice pops for, I don't know what they're called actually, ices or whatever, ice pops. Anyway, these are my food saver bags for the Vac Master. So actually my vacuum chamber bags. So if you look, see the notch at the bottom here? So I'm gonna actually use my impulse sealer from the Harvest Right, and I'm gonna crease all the way down in about 4 or 5 sections, probably 4, maybe 5. And then I'll fill them with juice and who knows what else. And then I'm gonna pour them in here, and then I'm going to turn it around and seal the bottoms. And then I will be able to cut along the sealed sections to where they're still sealed. And my granddaughter's coming to visit next weekend, so Grandma's got some goodies for her. I'm so excited. Don't mind my mess. I've just been making udder balm for my cow for milking. But so I put blueberries, boysenberries from last year's garden, pineapple juice, and then that is a fruit and veggie and herb powder mix from my freeze-dried goodness from the garden over the past 2 years. So now I'm gonna go ahead and run it through the Ninja, and then we'll fill up these little things. Okay, so after I ran it through the Ninja, I am sifting, straining the juice out so that all of the seeds are no longer present. So it will just be nothing but the goodness. Look at that. All right, I got 5 and 10 there that I haven't cut apart. I'm just gonna let them freeze the way they are. I have 5 more here and 5 more up there, so we're set.